Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. We're going to do a test shot on a Rancilio Silvia. Machine came in for a tune-up. Anyway, here we go. We got a nice shot coming out. Cut it a little short here. There you go. We'll get ready for the steam. I'm going to press pause. All right, we're ready to steam. Whoa, there we go. Nice, strong steam. Thank you very much for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and for more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page. Thank you.